Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the BeSafe iZi Go infant carrier. This infant carrier is suitable from 40 to 75 centimetres, which is birth to about 12 months. You start the installation by placing the car seat in the car with the baby's back at a 45-degree angle. Infant carrier car seats always have a slight curve at the bottom so that you can angle the position of the car seat depending on the slope of the car's seats. Before you can wrap the seatbelt around the car seat, it's a good idea to fold the carry handle out of the way. You do that by pressing these buttons. There's one on both sides. Press them both at the same time and fold the carry handle down. You then pull out the seatbelt. Don't pull out any more length than you need. And then you need to pass the belt through the hooks on the sides of the seat. So you do this one first, then take it across the baby's legs to the other side, and then pass it under the second hook and buckle it in. I always like to put my foot in the footwell and push the seat into the back of the car with my leg and pull the belt really tight, and that removes all the slack. Then take the belt around the back of the car seat and pass the belt through the blue guide. You then need to pull the belt tight, and I do that by placing one hand on the side of the seat and with the other hand pulling the seat belt tight. So you're pulling your hands away from each other like this, as tight as possible. And then the final step of the installation is to put the carry handle back in its upright position by pressing the buttons on the back of the handle and just sitting it up until it clicks. And then now that the installation is complete, all that's left to do is to fit the side impact block, and that is fitted to the side of the car seat. On the back of the side impact block, there are two bits that stick out, and which one you use depends on which side of the car seat you're using it on. So it's going to be this one for this side, and this bit here hooks onto that plastic bit down there. So you just slide it in and lock it into place like that. When the seat is fitted correctly in the car, you'll see the lap belt. It's a bit difficult to see with this handle in the way, but the lap belt is there going over the baby's legs, and then it comes down into the buckle and wraps around the back of the car seat. And when you open the door from the other side, it looks like this. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.